Hi, this is Amin from CodeGems, and in this video I will be telling you how you can migrate your WordPress website easily to the new host. Watch this video till the end because I will be telling you some of the interesting and ignored facts of this plugin. So let's get cracking. At very first, you need to download a plugin named All-in-One WP Migration on your development server. So this is my local host, CodeGems. This is my development server. I will go to the dashboard, then go to plugins, add new. I will type over here all-in-one WP migration, this one. Here you go. This is the plugin. I will install it. It has been installed, and now I will click activate. Now you can see over here there is a tab called all-in-one WP migration. Then we have to export the website, so we'll go to export. We will be exporting the entire website from here. The good thing of this plugin is that it will export all of files, contents and images, and especially the database as well. You don't need to copy or extract anything from your own. Then go to the export tool, and here you can see there are a number of options to save your export file. So I will click over here the file link. I will click on the file, and then this will start exporting the files that contains all of your site's data. Files now been exported. Now we will hit the download localhost, and you can see over here now we have the copy of the website. You can save it on your system for the backup as well. Now you have to import this downloaded file to the live server. To do so, you need to have the WordPress installed on the live server and the same plugin, all-in-one WP migration. Now this is my live server. Details codegems.com/ I will be logging into my website, wp-admin, and same procedure will repeat here. Go to plugins, add new, all-in-one WP migration plugin. Here you go. Install it, activate it. Now go to we have been activate this plugin, so you have to go over here. Now we will have to import the files. So you can drop that file over here. It will take some time according to the size of the file. And here you go, the site has been transferred. You can see the entire process becomes so much easy. You don't need to configure anything by yourself manually. I would like to show you something, and that is very important for you, that this is my old website, and this one on the local host was the new one. And I will click over here for the proceed, click close. Now go to the CodeGems and Widgets site. Here you go. This is my new look of the website. Now I quickly tell you some of the important but ignored facts of this plugin that usually we don't consider. Number one, the maximum upload file limit. Now I will go to my dashboard, wp/admin, go to the plugin, import. Now you can see over here, as this is the free plugin, you are only allowed to move your website within the following limit of the file size. You can see over here, maximum upload file size is 512 MB. But don't worry, normally our heavy websites will reach just before the given limit. Sites with tons of database will require the premium version of the plugin. Number 2, backup. This plugin can create a backup of your entire website. Go to the backups and then create a backup, export to file, and from here you can easily take your backup of your website. That's all from now. Please like, comment and share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Code Gems. Thank you very much.